Hi, this is Sherry Lukey, and this is a tapping audio for Money Scarcity. Always taking full responsibility for your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. Taking a really nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And starting on the side of the hand. Even though I want to feel abundant. I'm feeling all of this money scarcity. And I acknowledge it now. Even though part of me knows that the universe is abundant, another part of me can't see past my current reality. Even though I don't want to feel all this money scarcity. And I've been trying to feel abundant. But it's really difficult when there's a scarcity of money. Top of the head. I know I'm supposed to feel abundant. Eyebrow. I keep trying to tell myself that I am. Side of the eye. But my reality is telling me something different. Under the eye. So it's really difficult to feel abundant. Under the nose. I'm so familiar with not having enough money. Chin. I don't think I've ever felt like I had enough money. Collarbone. There's never been enough money. Under the arm. Let alone more than enough money. Onto the ribs. And it feels like I will never have enough money. Onto the wrist. And I have so much evidence of this money scarcity. Top of the head. And I want to acknowledge all that evidence now. Eyebrow. And release as much of it as I can. Side of the eye. Even though I don't think I can find any evidence for an abundance of money. Under the eye. What if I could? Under the nose. Even if I don't feel like I can. Onto the chin. What if I could just get in the feeling? Collarbone. The feeling of what it would be like to have an abundance of money. Under the arm. Even if I have to guess at it. Onto the ribs. I want to be open and willing to the feelings of abundance. Onto the wrist. Feelings of an abundance of money. Top of the head. I want to picture money raining down on me. Eyebrow. That everywhere I look, there's more money. Side of the eye. I can feel such relief. Under the eye. Feeling lightness and ease. Under the nose. Feeling expansive. onto the chin. Like anything is possible. Collarbone. Feeling worry-free. Onto the arm. I choose to have these abundance feelings. Onto the ribs. I choose to feel an abundance of money. Onto the wrist. Again, I choose to feel an abundance of money. Taking a nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Be sure that you are tapping twice a day or whenever you feel stressed so that you can soothe your nervous system, reprogram your subconscious mind, and live a life you love.